Hey guys, and welcome to this weekly update on a VRA, which is Veracity. As you can see, we have blasted right through this level of resistance, which we did mark up on the last video we did on VRA. So as you can see, it's looking great so far, currently up at 2.8 cent. In this video, we're going to have a look at a few key levels. So we'll have a look at some resistance levels which are higher up. I mean, there's not too many, to be honest. And then we'll also have a look at some areas where we could potentially place some orders or open a trade. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button and let's crack on. Just getting this video started, we'll have a look at some of the key stats. I want to see mainly how much volume we're getting, and we are currently getting $74.9 million worth of volume per 24 hours. That's massive. And combined with that, we've got a 25% increase in price today, and that's constantly going up. As you can see, currently 59 satoshis. Looking at market cap today, it's $180 million. And looking at markets where we're trading predominantly, 39% against Tether on Qcoin, and then we're getting further 20% over on Bitfum. So that's quite I didn't realize Bitfum was getting quite so much volume, and we have got quite a wide spread there of volume, pretty much spread out across a multiple of very good exchanges. We've got Qcoin, OKX, Uniswap, Gate.io. There's quite a few exchanges there which are pushing on towards that tier 1 area. One key point to notice is the all-time high, up at 5.5 cent. Only 50% down from that now, and that is going to get smashed very, very soon. So, this is VRA versus Tether. This is the Qcoin chart as it is getting most of the volume. I just want to start off in a weekly time frame and see if we can identify a few key levels of resistance. I believe that's the first one there. So if you look at this wick here, which bounced up at 3.2 cent, then we bounced up here around 3.1, and then we rejected here. So for me, that is another area of resistance. So we'll mark it up 1, 2, 3 wicks within that range. So that is the first major level for us to break for and look at targeting them. And then we also have these 2 wicks here, which I'm not going to mark. I'll just put this line on there, so that's a key level as well. As you can see, that daily candle there closed on it, and we've got 2 rejections of that same region, which is bang on 4 cent. So that's a psychological area too. Just looking at the money flow indicator down here on the weekly time frame, we've just ticked bullish, so that's a very, very good sign. Looking at a daily row, this is where I do pretty much most of the price analysis, and yeah, so far we're doing great. From the bottom, I mean, we dropped all the way down to 0.007, which was crazy. So far we've made close to 300% recovery, and things are looking good. We've had that crossover on the moving averages there. If we just put the, I've not got that one on. Also, so that's a bullish cross there on moving average 20 and 50. If you watch my videos before, whenever I'm looking to open trades or be holding trades, the price action does need to be above that moving average 50, which is a blue line, and money flow to be in the green. If you just look at this here, money flow is just about to tick positive, so that is a awesome sign. We've been in negative territory since May, and now that we are just ticking to that bullish side of money flow, that means there are more buyers than sellers, and with that, price is going to shoot up. So if we're just looking though in a little bit of a bearish scenario, as you can see, we did this move up, we had a bit of a rally here, straight through, and then a bit of consolidation, and then bang, we've pop straight back up. If we're looking for buy zones, we'll just look at this as a bottom of a move there and that of the top of a move there. If we do turn around from around this price, this video is going to go pretty much out straight away. I would be looking to put orders here at around 2.3 cent. It is bang on that central Fibonacci level there at 382, and also it is a level of which was resistance, now support. So that is a key area. As you can see, lots of rejections here and support here. So for me, if you're looking to top up on your VRA, that's a good area to place some orders there. Remember, if BTC does go in a bit of a random shit your pants scenario like it does every now and then, you could potentially fill some orders back down at 2 cent. But for me, I think things are starting to look good. We've got that positive money flow action, and if we carry on, and I mean it's busting through this already, so let's wait and see. I would put some orders there, 2.3 cents. So that could be a decent area for you to look at targeting. That's buy zones. If you're looking to sell or accumulate or take profit, whichever you want to do, when I mean accumulate, I mean, sell at resistance and buy at support. So obviously this is a starter move here. If you're looking to take profit, this first area of resistance here, 3.2 cent, could be the first area, but then potentially could come back, fill some orders here, and then go to the moon, as said. But that is the first major area I would be looking to take profit at 3.2 cent. Or like I say, if you're looking to accumulate. And then the next level above that is that 4 cent barrier up around that level of resistance there. So 2 areas of resistance for you to take profit there. For me, I'm not even considering taking profit. I just want to mark the all-time high up, which is at 5.6 cent. That we'll be looking back at that all-time high in probably, I don't know, 3-4 months. You'll be thinking, fucking hell, why didn't I buy under here? Because I mean, you're looking at buys now. I do this price analysis and identify a few key levels for you, but I looked at it the other day. I've done a few videos on it before and I wasn't invested, and I just thought, fuck it, market buy. I'll look, it was still down. This is area I bought all mine at 1.8 cent. So long term hold, I mean 6 months this could be, I mean, you're looking at 20 cent potentially at some stage going towards the end of this year, and maybe even higher. This crypto market, in my opinion, is ready for a big upswing at some stage. Maybe once we got September out of the way, like I've said in a previous few videos, that September notoriously is not the best month for crypto, and that's for stock markets in general. We usually get a bit of a dump. I think last year we had a dump towards the beginning of September, previous that towards the end of September. So at some stage could be potentially a dump. I mean, history may not repeat itself and it might just continue going straight up and up, but so yeah, that's my thoughts there. Buy zones and sell zones on VRA. I think we've got time as well. We'll just cover a couple more things. I want to look at the BTC pair. If you are looking to stack sats, I'm not too sure what that price I gave you on CoinGecko was in Satoshis, because it's completely wrong. But this is the current Satoshi level here. That is at around 6,000 Satoshis currently peaks up to at this level. Let's just get rid of that. So again, we've blasted through this area of resistance. Let's just go into a weekly time frame. See if we've got any levels here. It's actually flying on BTC pair. That is the first major level. If we were to put the box method on, if you look at 1, 2, 3 weeks there, that to me confirms that is a level of resistance. We rejected off that every time. So that's the first major area. If you're looking to take profit, let's go back to the daily. That is the first area to take profit at 7,100 Satoshis. And again, look at the money flow here. That bearish period is coming to an end. There's a good chance that we could start to push up. I think if we do get above that and switch that area to support, then happy days, it's going to fly. If you're looking for buys, target this region here, about 4,600 Satoshis. I think we could potentially hit here, come back down, retest, and then push on. Also, one more thing I just want to show you. VRA, let me find it on this chart. So I'm just testing out this new indicator here. This is a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, these dots here give you RSI indications to when to buy. I mean, if you manage to buy down here on that dot, you'd be flying up in some nice profit. I've been testing this out in scalping, not on VRA, but if we just have a look on some of the daily time frame here, we've had actually a sell signal here. We have had a few sell signals here, which did happen short term. I mean, look at these buy signals down here, very, very good, flying all the way up. But so far, this is giving us an oversold sell signal on the RSI. So like I say, them orders, what I potentially identified for you to get in at, was it around, let me just go back to that other chart, VRA USDT. Yeah, I identified them at about 2.3 cents. So that could be a good potential signal that we may come down, but these ones have not materialized so far. One of them will materialise, and that looks like, I mean, it does look like it's a high RSI level up here. If you look at RSI, it's well overbought there currently. So that's going to do it for today's video. Just some analysis on VRA. Nothing much to talk about on indicator yet. I'm just testing it out and finding my way around it. But once I find out a good strategy, I'll let you all know in the next up and coming videos. So that's going to do it for today. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.